In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Bitcoin BTCUSD directly in TradingView. Before we begin, make sure you're on a TradingView chart and signed in. This guide is for educational purposes only and doesn't include financial advice. Also note that broker availability and crypto support can vary by region, so pick a provider that offers BTCUSD trading. Start by looking to the top right of your chart and clicking Trade. You'll see a list of available brokers. Select the broker you want to use. If you're just practicing, choose the paper trading option to simulate orders without risking real funds. If you connect a live broker, follow the prompts in TradingView to authorize the connection and keep your credentials private at all times. After you've selected a broker, look to the bottom of the screen. You'll see your trading pane. Click it to expand. You can resize this panel to make it easier to see. Inside that panel, click Trade to open the order ticket linked to your chosen broker or paper account. This is where you'll place and manage orders. Your trading pane will then appear with the order ticket ready. Before entering anything, check the symbol at the top left of your chart. Make sure it's set to BTCUSD, which is Bitcoin quoted against the US dollar. If you see a different market, use the symbol search to switch to BTCUSD so your order routes correctly. The exchange name may appear next to the symbol, and that's okay. Just confirm it's the Bitcoin to dollar pair your broker supports. Time frame won't affect order routing. Only the symbol matters. Now you're ready to place the order. In the ticket, input the price and the unit amount you want to buy. Units typically refer to the quantity of Bitcoin, so 0.01 would be 1/100th of a Bitcoin. For price, you can enter a limit price to set your own entry or switch to a market order to buy at the current available price. If you see optional fields like stop loss or take profit, you can set them now or add them later. Your choice. Double-check your quantity, price, and any estimated fees. When everything looks correct, click Buy. TradingView will route the order through the connected broker. Market orders usually fill quickly. Limit orders fill when the market reaches your price. You can monitor the status and any open positions in the same trading pane, and you may see a confirmation pop up if you have that setting enabled. That's all. You've just traded BTCUSD directly from TradingView. Practice with paper trading first, review your broker's fees, and always manage risk responsibly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.